Hey guys, welcome to with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number for two-factor authentication for your Apple ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. So on the latest iOS version, first thing is simply go into your setting of your iPhone. And once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you should see your Apple ID signed in. If it's not already signed in, go ahead and sign in. And once you do that, simply click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to want to go ahead and click on sign in and security. And once you click on sign in security, you're going to have to enter your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go enter my Apple ID password here. So once you entered your Apple ID password, simply click on OK here. Should go ahead and sign you in. And once you're signed in, you should see the two-factor authentication here already turned on. And once you see that, you're going to simply click on that. Once you click on it, you'll see there's already trusted number already listed here. I'm covering mine here, but you want to go ahead and click on edit here. And once you click on edit, here, you should see the option right here with that red circle with that minus sign. You want to simply click on it to remove your number. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. When you click on it, it's going to slide over here to delete. So you're going to click on delete. And then it's going to ask you if you want to continue to remove this number. But if you do remove it, you'll need to go ahead and add another number in order to remove your existing one. So and before you can remove the existing number, you're going to have to enter the verification code from another trusted device that's listed. So I'm going to add that code that was sent to my another device. All right, so once I enter that number, it's going to ask me to add a new number that I like to add in. And to verify, you need either text message or phone call. So I'm going to enter the new number that I like to change it to here. Okay, so I enter my new number up here. I'm going to get a text, so I'm going to hit continue. And once you do that, you'll get a verification code to the new number. So you need to enter that verification code, which I'll do right now. Once I enter my verification code, the number successfully has been changed, and now you can use that new number that you have used in order to get two-factor code for your Apple ID. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.